I can't even talk. Oh my God, I still can't say anything. Anyway, it's October, and this is what I have started off October doing. I finished the dowel. Now, I mean, there's no reason for you to see how I did it because, let's be for real, I didn't do it the proper way. And yeah, I'm always putting up air quotes, and I'm an ass. Anyway, but yeah, basically, I just painted her for real because I was actually watching this. Well, let me not lie. I was actually listening to this lady talking about how to properly paint it as I was painting it as I wanted to. Because when I thought about it, I was like, do I really want to follow directions? And I said no because that's just what I do. Anyway, let me stop being weird. What am I doing? I'm saying stuff to this video. Oh, right here I was burning the birth certificate. Yeah. When I was younger and I used to do the little burning the edges of the paper to make it look old type thing, you know. I was in the vibe of, living reckless and living life dangerously. But when you get older and you start doing stuff like this, sort of like when you start, jumping off of things and things when you're older, you just don't have the same feeling. It ain't the same vibe. Like, the stuff terrifies you. So I was like, you know what? I feel like I'm going to burn the house down. So I had to put the lighter back and stop. But I mean, the rest of the edges, yep, I just cut. I got stuck there. I was fritzing out. My robo problems. Yeah, I probably need to upgrade. Yeah, I just started cutting stuff because I was like, I can do the same thing with scissors and then use black marker or a black pencil or a black color pencil. Can you stop? Oh my God, you're tearing up my clothes. What kind of cat are you? What's going on? Because it was just easier and I didn't feel like burning down the house. So yeah, that little birth certificate thing I made on the computer. Uh, yeah. Yep. Look at them driving up the street the wrong way again. Anyway, what's that called? Oh, yeah, yeah, right here. I'm mixing coffee and water. So much coffee and water. So much unnecessariness. Like the second paper that I did, I used paint, which was so much better than coffee and water. I mean, yep, I threw some tea bags in there. I did in the end. Once I put the paper in there. And I'm not gonna lie, the coffee and water, it turned out nice looking. But I just feel like the same effect can be made with paint and faster. But if you're not an impatient patty like me, then you will be alright using the coffee. Honestly, just use whatever you have. I mean, I don't want to say that because that sounds like somebody would use poop or something. I mean, I don't think they would, but huh. Hmm. Yeah, anyway. So yeah, I did that. And I had to drive, so I set it outside on that Ziploc baggie and used that bucket to hold it down to dry outside, even though the weather changed up on us fast and it's cold as HE double hockey stick. And yeah, that happened. It's so funny because I sat there, took my time to make this tutu for the doll, but I never even took a picture of her with the tutu on once I got finished the rest of her clothes. And I forgot to give my cousin the tutu. So, yeah. Along with the stand, I had to give her the stand too. So, yeah, that's what happened. Oh my God. I just need to pause for a moment to admire the mess that could have been. Like, what was going on with her right eye? I mean, the goal was to incorporate all the horror movie people that she liked into one, and that's why there's the green for Jeepers Creepers with his and the burning up skin to kind of make it like his skin, and the red and burned looking face to go with the red faced man from off of Insidious, the orangish looking eye to go with the one picture I saw of Pennywise. The left looking eye also goes with the man with the red face from Insidious. Yeah, all those elements kind of had to do with her favorite horror characters, and yeah. I'm so glad I didn't do the full Pennywise face because that would have been like, why? Moving on, this is her with the tutu on before I got to finish adding touches. Like, I put so many different layers of paint on this doll. She has a lot going on. And yeah, I had my mom braid her hair because I can't braid. Like, you're just not gonna catch me. And then I did all that heat pressing and stuff. Like, that's my jam. All that braiding is definitely not. Yeah. I mean, in the future, I'll probably be a little bit better, but yeah, I think she kind of turned out good. I heat pressed that little coat. I made those little sweatpants. I made this little pillow. A lot of elements and things that I decided to do to make this doll super dope as I possibly could. And then I realized I wanted her hair to be black after I took these pictures of her all set up and everything. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just paint it black. Yep, yep, Rooney. Yay, me. But it was like a little hidden message for you to find the autopsy report on the doll. Yeah, it was the whole thing. But yeah, it turned out good. I really tried to throw as much as I could in from what's the name? Like, that address is from Insidious. The name Tiffany Valentine is from Bride of Chucky. Yeah, the Angry Princess is from 13 Ghosts. The orangish looking eye is Pennywise's eye. If I didn't already say that, I don't know because I was jumping around a lot. But she loved it. She found the paper. I'm excited. I don't sound like it, but I'm excited because my robo batteries are jacked up. And yeah, that's it. Happy October! Starting it off right.